Good morning to everyone. I welcome you all class 3rd EVS. Yes, today we'll start the lesson number 22, that is a story of a pot. Yes, so now we will start the lesson. Okay, so in this lesson what we will be learn here, so we can understanding the human beings began to prepare a different things or fulfill their basic needs. With the example of that they can given here pot and a wheel. You know, that is whatever we need, so we will be fulfill our needs. So what we will do, so he can thinking and he is developing a different type. You know, today, so how it is, it means nowadays how the technology is growing on. Yes, like here in the olden days, the human beings are all the human beings, so we all using, so like a mud, preparing a mud, so using a mud and they can be prepared, so that is a pot. Okay, so in olden days they are using. So discuss the changes that we have taken place over the years in the use of pot. Yes, so today also we are using, so this, it means this is a summer season, no, we are using to what, store the water in a pot, that is in mud pot. How it is, so that's very cold. Yes, that is naturally, so it can be very cold. So prepare a models of pots using a clay. What are the materials we are used to prepare the pots? Okay, yes, so you know that many things are essential to our life. Yes, so many things are essential to our life. So write any 5 things what you are need. So any 5 things, so that those are, without food we can't live. Yes, food is one of the basic need. Then air, without air, are you living without air? No, because we are breathing, so air is very important. Yes, so then without water also we can't to live. So then clothes, so clothes also need for life. Then light, sunlight or as light, man-made or as a natural light. So these all 5 are very important to our life. Yes, okay. So you need a food every day. So observe how it is prepared in your house. You know that is daily we need a food. So how many days we will be left out of food? 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. So next day we need, because what? So it given a strength of body, but food. So we need a food. So how they can be prepare a food? What are the things they will add to prepare? What are the materials they will be added? Yes, you know, so you will be see in your house. So what things are required to prepare a food items? What are the materials required? So in which materials we are used to prepare a food? Like here we are using pans, we are using to prepare. Then cooker we need. Yes, so then spoon, then ladle, then vessels. These all are there too much, but only 5 they can mention here. So these 5 are need to prepare a food. These are all materials we are using to prepare a food. Vessels also very necessity. So you already know about the uses of various types of utensils to prepare a food items and store water in the house. You know that is so many different types of vessels are there in your house, because of why we are using to prepare a food and to store a water. Yes, so we need a materials. So generally what materials are used to make utensils? Yes, so you know that is in your house a different types of different metals they are using. If it is steel materials also there, copper, zinc, yes, aluminium. So these all the materials are there in your house. So these all are the metals they are using to prepare the materials, food materials, sorry, food storing materials. So like here steel, all the vessels is there in your house, those all are steel. It may be some are in aluminium boxes, you know that is aluminium. Then mud also they been using, the pot also they are using. Then copper items also they are using. Then wood materials also they are using. Yes, they can be stored of water. Store water or as any food items. Okay. Yes. Do you know that the materials which were used to make utensils in olden days? Yes, in olden days, which type of materials they are using? So almost all they are using the mud preparing materials. Those are like pots. Okay. So how the pots are making? So here see, the first they can be, here see, they can given here. So they can be given all that can be mud and water here, mixing of mud and water. Yes, so cleanly they can be mixing. So here they can be given here smoothen of the what mud and water mixings. They'll make a smooth. Yes, so after here that on the rolling they can be kept on the rolling, they can be given a shape. Yes, here see they can be given a last one, that is okay. So here they making in the rolling, so here they can be given a shape of the pot. Okay. Yes, observing these pictures we can be understanding how the materials, how the pots are making. Okay. Yeah, next one. What materials are used to make a pot? What are they are using? So they are using clay, they are using, main important is that is clay they are using, and sponge or as cotton they are using sponge. Then water they are using. So then mud. Then main important is to prepare wheel, that is also they are using. So why do we use the pots? Why we are using a pot? Do you know? So right, they can be given here. So why we are using? Because of we can be store a water. Yes, storing a water, storing water, then storing food items, then cooking also we are using, keep things keeping also we are using, and also we are using decoration purpose. Yes, you know that is vase. So in the vase we will be put a flower, so you can just look up, that is a decoration. Yes, in the decoration purpose also we will use a what? Pot. Okay, so pots are using to keep things, and cooking purpose we are using, storing water, storing food materials also we are using, and decoration purpose also we are using what? Pots. Okay. Then they can given here, see, tigari tiruguve gara gara madake maduve barabara. Who am I? I, the wheel, revolve round and round. A pot is shaped in every round. Who will make the pots? What we can call them? So like any wood, wood materials they are using, and they can making furnitures, we can call as a carpenter. Yes. So that electric items, he is making electric items, we can call as electrician. So like who are making pot, we can call as a potter. Yes, yes, we can call him potter. So our pots are used in your house? Yes, in your house the pots are using. In what purpose you are using? So you will be mentioned here. So what are they used for? And write here. If maybe a cooking food items and storing food materials, storing food items like is a pickle, you know that is pickle is stored in that items only. Yes, mud making. So here that is here write down. Then next they can given here, look at the pictures given below. Do you find any difference? They can given here. Any difference you will find out here in nowadays and olden days. Yes, we can observing here in olden days they can be prepare a food using a what here? Wood. Yes, so they can using wood, but so, and also they are using a pot. Okay, but in nowadays we are using what? Cylinder, gas. Yes, Yes. So in olden days we can be, nowadays also some of the people they can be keep water in the what? In pot only. But so in nowadays too much peoples we are using filter. Then any food items or any cereals, pulses they can be keep in the pots in olden days. But nowadays they can be put in a bags or as drums they can be keep. So in olden days all the pots are they can be selling, okay, selling purpose they are be taking and going. So but in nowadays they can be using bucket steel items they are be selling, okay. So in olden days here see using a pot like this one, this pot we are using like a vase, okay. Yes, these all are the materials using of in olden days and nowadays what they are using, okay. So they can given here one of the activity, ask the elders at home and locality and know about the things that were used in the past and observe the things that are being used in now in your home. Yes, so they can given here make a list of the things in olden days, in then olden days what they are using and in nowadays what you are using. Yes, so ask your elders and it can be mentioned here, okay. Yes, that's your work. Do you notice any difference between then and now? Why have these changes taken here? Because of why? Because of technology is changing. So discuss with things and with your friends, teachers and elders. So because of here, that is that all those are fasting days, okay. So if there are potters in your place or locality, go there and see the method of making pots, how those are making the pots. So observe the colors, shapes and size. In olden days, you know that is in olden days they do not using any colors, but in nowadays that is a different types of colors they are using to attraction of pots. You know that is how looking it's very beautiful the pots. So they are using different types of colors and designs also they are using. Yes. So shape, size and of the pots. So discuss the potters and about the usefulness of the pots. Yes, if you are there in nearest neighbors or in your locality, anyone is there the potter, how they are making the pots, you can be observe and clearly. So how the usefulness of the pots you will be know about them, okay. Yes. So make a small pots with a clay, put water or grains in them and keep them outside for the birds. Yes, this is you know that is what. So make a small pot or as clay using that one, put a grains in that, so will be keeping outside your house. Because of why? So that is a helpfulness to given a food for the birds. Yes, given a food for, that is a nature's love, showing as nature's love. So learn to make clay models of objects like fish, fruit, vase, small pot for collecting money and etc. Yes, that is also clay modeling. You are also in participate in your school clay modeling. Yes, so we will be held in that one. So you are making a different types of pots. Then are as gods images you are making, and also vase, small pots. Yes, vegetables, fruits also you will be making using of the mud. Okay, that clay. Understood? Yes. So this lesson is about totally how the preparation of the pot and what purpose we are using pots. In the olden days they are using pots, in nowadays what we are using, what are the uses of pots, why we will use of pots. So this all we will be learned in this lesson, okay. So tomorrow we'll see the next lesson. So thank you for watching.